dang. What?
Black Aaron is bitch. Alright, we back at it. You know what I'm saying? Say what's up, yeah. It's your boy Ted. Bow! Ah, bitch! Yeah.
Yo, you see what's in this bitch, man? Flock area. It's your boy Zach.
It's your boy Greg. G3 in the bed.
And you already know.
It's your boy Tay.
Yes, man. My take.
But today we on some what are we on today?
We're on some outside shit. You know what I'm saying?
No, we not. We inside the house though. We doing great basketball. We doing a little shot game. We doing some fucking other crazy shit. We not like other YouTubers, man. We don't know what the fuck we doing all the time, but
We really don't. We just be doing shit. We
we
just
be
be
doing shit. We just be living. That's that Flock area shit. We just do. We don't plan. We just do. Y'all boys ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Fuck you. A lot of you bitches be what? A lot of you bitches be what?
That bitch be burning.
Oh my. Mama fool. You already know, late night vibes. Cool in this bitch.
Yeah.
Flock area shit. Forever, my nigga. But you bitches be what?
Boom game, whole lot of game. Swift Cooper.
Flock Aaron is bitch. Alright, we back at it. You know what I'm saying? Say what's up, yeah. Alright, today we playing great basketball, you feel me? We gonna shoot some grapes. Right here. Straight into these two containers right there. Yes, sir.
Oh, God.
Oh man, I'm just okay.
This pre-run?
Yeah, just for the camera, literally. We need one to go in so we can see it.
Camera straight.
This shit harder than I thought.
Yeah, it's a lot harder.
We gonna get it up.
Not one.
I
I
understand.
think we need a backboard.
If you lose around,
You gotta eat dog food. Dog food.
all of it.
Yeah.
Swallow.
Yeah.
Hey.
Alright, it's gonna be me and my boy Zach versus the first round.
Yes, sir.
Whoever loses gotta eat dog food. But the second round, gotta verse that man Mate.
Clutch man.
Yeah, alright. We gonna see.
Alright, so look, we got number 1, number 2, and motherfucking number 3. 3, 2, 1.
Oh wait, we start from 3 from that.
Great.
So you can't pass the line. None of you.
Oh, he already made one.
Bro, level 2
Bro, what?
Y'all boys is on cold.
Hard competition. They call him Playoff Zach.
A 3 wins the series. It's Lillard. He got the shot off. Lillard, good! And the Blazers.
Big time plays make big time plays. Go ahead. Big time plays make big time plays.
Big done. I'm just shooting. Bro, you done?
I know, bro.
You out of here, bro. You out of here. You out of here.
Round 2.
Round 2, you know what I'm saying? Your boys got your grapes ready?
I told you that I was just.
Alright, I lost that shit, but I ain't even gonna cap. So loser versus loser. Whoever loses this round gotta go up against me, and that loser gotta eat dog food.
Right.
Check. Nigga, your arm went in. Fuck it. Hey, bro. Okay. Oh! What's Monte doing? That nigga's underhanding that bit. That nigga's underhanding it. Okay, that's two. What's that? Two. What? Come on, bro. I see that shit.
I don't know it. He made it in
Oh, okay. He made it in Monte's. Hey, what y'all think? What y'all think right now? Hold up. Hey, what y'all think? Zach made it in Monte's bowl. So what do y'all think?
That should count.
Should that count or should that not count? Let us know.
Do or die.
Do or die. Redo. So it's first one to one, right? First one. Ready? From 3. Set. Go.
Bro, why does it keep aiming toward that? Why is it always
Okay.
going his goal?
Everybody getting close.
Bro. Oh! Is my body hooked up wrong with that shit? Oh, my mom is going towards me.
Okay, Monte's getting close. The underhanding. Yo, this nigga's thinking smart.
Bro,
Hey. Okay.
Bro, that shit count. I'm sorry.
Go ahead, bro.
Fucking dead.
That nigga Zach made it again, bro. So you know what? Fuck it, we gonna count it, bro.
And I'm gonna go to this
It's
shit.
me versus Monte.
On the court.
Ding, hey. No arms.
Oh, so no.
Yeah, no.
Okay, I got it.
Final round.
Oh, wait. All
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Going crazy with the other hand.
You got 2 of them bitches?
Yeah, you got to.
Ah.
Hey, bro, yeah.
Gray, you looking like you about to eat that dog food, bro.
Not eating dog food, bro. Fuck that. Huh? Oh, shit. I'm trying that bitch.
I can't hit it. Ah, girl, you snagged my grapes.
I'm throwing it in. Bro.
Yo, that's form, dog.
Hey, bro.
What's right? Dude, they ready.
3 seconds in midcourt. Jenkins gives it
Hey,
to
this is
Jenkins
2K.
for the championship.
Please find it. Hey. That shit was just great. That was hard. Yes, sir. All 3 of them bitches. Conquered.
What you doing?
Where he at? Ain't no fab. He got them bitches in that shit.
Hey, not a baby bowl. I just eat it straight out the can.
Oh, you like that?
You know what I'm saying? I don't like it, none of it, but
You're a grown man, I guess.
yo, hey, bro. For all y'all fans that be saying we don't do enough, fuck y'all niggas, cause I'm eating dog food right now, bitch.
Oh, nigga, them not Reese's Puffs. What?
Bro, bro.
He was about to get another spoon.
Oh nah, bro. Oh nah. No, I don't. I need water.
God damn.
Bro, this shit tastes like, you know what? This
Yeah. It tastes stuck in your mouth, ain't it?
where it go?
Oh, it's gone. We put it in the pot. Go ahead.
Oh my, it's getting worse, bro.
No! I didn't even. Both them boys.
Don't do that, that shit literally tastes like shit. That dog crunching that shit like it's good. Got my ghetto ass Tachi.
You know, they call me the
I
was about to say Mona Lisa. I was about to say Mona Lisa.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be some lightning.
Hey, that bitch hard, no cap.
That
That bitch hard too. I thought you was drawing your tattoo for a second.
I should have.
Yeah, I was thinking. I didn't. Wow. I didn't even think about it. The objective of this challenge is to play GTA 5 stars and see who lasts the longest. You know what I'm saying? Mate. Oh shit.
No shit.
More stars.
Yeah, Mate finna start first.
5 stars.
5 stars, yeah. Alright, let's get it, Mate.
Let them boys bust me. I promise you they get knocked back.
Let's see who lasts longer.
Oh, yo.
God, dude.
Yeah, Mate. They on your ass, nigga. You're finna die.
Suck the nigga. He's spraying your block. They had to pop one of my tires. No!
Ah, shit.
They got me blow up on me, bro. I promise you.
Hey, yo! Oh!
Hey, yo! Hey, come get
Get up!
Hey.
What you gonna do, Mate?
You might be dead.
He is dead. Nigga, unless you get another car. Ah, damn.
Wait, were we keeping time?
I was. I don't know how to play no cap.
You don't know how to play?
Really. How you shoot? This shoot, right?
Yes. And
How you pull out a gun? How you pull out a gun?
Hold that. That's the weapon wheel.
Alright,
You know
drive.
Yeah.
Get in car.
That's
Open
this.
Open door?
Yeah. That's how you get in the car, and that's how you get out.
Alright, bet. How you run?
Oh, you gotta tap this.
Tap.
Yeah. Just
Like double tap or one?
just keep tapping.
Oh, okay. Ready?
That boy is drifting speed racer. They busting at you. Ooh. God dang!
He's gonna flip over now.
He got out of the car.
Oh,
That's very dangerous.
Yeah, I didn't mean to do that.
Ooh, they busting!
Aim! Nigga, run! Fuck! I tried to make it to the police car. That shit, whatever, right? Hey.
I'm not tripping. Yeah, nigga spiffy. That nigga spiffy.
That nigga kinda chubby.
A little pounds.
Yeah.
Yo, that nigga head like a egg, boy. This nigga.
Hey, police on you now.
Bitch. Wait, what, on me now?
Yep.
Oh. Hold on. No. It's not fair.
It's not fair.
Greg had a car.
Okay.
I see what he means now.
Ain't shit, blow your bang, bitch. Who you playing with? Pistols get this
What?
fucking do no talking.
What?
Get your man some.
What?
McDonald's go to
What?
twig and pop your top. That be the kill switch. That shit you talking
Don't
about.
die now,
Homie,
bitch.
You get killed, bitch. Bang and fuck it, Trey.
Hold on, I got to. That shit's man. If I'm already at half health, bro.
What?
I needed to do that. I was already dead. I was already dead. It's not even fair.
You right.
Alright, let's do this for real this time. No bullshit. Okay, see, I got my boy. We gonna name that nigga Spiffy.
He kinda spiffy.
See, like 360, no slow. I don't even gotta zoom in. Watch this. Close my eyes. Bet I got him. I'm not even gonna check. I don't wanna hurt myself. Alright, bet. Get my whip.
And when nobody got the track hawk.
That big body ass Benz, nigga. Let's do it.
Boom.
Out this bitch.
What did I tell you?
What the man say? Ooh, you kind of smart. Tactical man, tactical.
You already know.
Tactical man. Okay.
Ain't nobody fuck with this. What?
Oh, that tire. He was in the tire.
Get the gun!
Oh, what a pistol.
Got that bitch. Ah. Getting that. Oh, it's another one!
No. No.
Well, how long do you have?
Oh, I had the longest.
I have 59.
How long do you have?
You had 55.
Yeah, 50 what?
He had 59. You had 55. I had 116.
What? This lame, bro. So what's the what? Hey, man. What's the fail?
Oh. Oh. Them guys brown, so you know they good for you.
All natural.
He's running again. Get back! Hey, get back here! Hey, hey! He's out on the fence. Hey yo! He lost me at that point. He lost me. This man just... Like, bro, I'm gonna break myself on that. One less goose, one less flock error. He slipped through the gate, bruh. He slipped through the gate.
That one?
Yes.
Hell no. It's fucking egg. That'll be the last thing I fucking do. That is exotic. Just all for fucking egg.
He's gonna get that egg. He's gonna get that egg.
Fuck. Yo, we in this bitch. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And as always, we end with a banger. And I, being a great friend I am, have cooked us 2 delicious eggs. Cause he lost. But I'm fucking with him. Cause I'm down. Voila.
Magic.
And that fucking-nificent. Greg Black.
Hey, bro, fuck that. I ain't even played the game in years. Alright, bro? I'm not losing on my challenges from this point on.
Ready? Yeah. I cooked one for you. That's good.
Ready? Set. Begin.
Spiritual.
What's up? Oh, that was the worst thing. Oh,
You know, people actually do that.
not ever fucking egg.
oh.
Ooh, you missed it for a second.
You lucky split second, man.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You see the fuck ass shit we do for y'all.
Hey. Subscribe, because if you don't, you a...
Don't ever
Not
say
nice
Goofy Slime
person.
again. We are flock here.
Yeah, we flag error. Alright, bro, get it right. We changed the name because we upgraded.
Dirty chicken in the back.
Oh shit, we made chickens, man.
We out of school, now we just on the block. Lost track of time, now I don't need the clock. Went from sipping that mint to the wop. In Duck 12, we do not fuck with the cops. These bitches ain't twerking, they hitting the mop. Plugs used to charge, now they tell me come shop.
Smoking that gas got me high as the moon. Ain't got me dying like, where's my tune?